In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot CPQ. We'll walk through the basic setup and flow so you can start creating products, building quotes, and preparing a smoother sales process inside HubSpot. If you're new to CPQ, that simply stands for Configure, Price, and Quote. In other words, it helps you organize what you sell, define pricing clearly, and generate professional quotes for buyers. To begin, go to HubSpot and open your account dashboard. Once you're inside, head to the Commerce section. This is where HubSpot brings together the tools related to products, quoting, and payments, so it's the right starting point for setting up CPQ. From Commerce, click on Products. This is where you'll manage the items or services your team sells. Having your product library set up properly is important because it makes quote creation much faster and helps reduce pricing errors later. Next, click Create Product to add what you sell. You can enter services, physical items, or subscriptions depending on your business model. As you add products, make sure the names and descriptions are clear and consistent, since these details will appear in your quote experience and should be easy for customers to understand. After that, set your pricing structure. HubSpot allows you to choose between flat pricing and tiered pricing. Flat pricing is useful when the cost stays the same regardless of quantity. Tiered pricing works better when the total price changes based on how much the buyer wants. Choosing the correct pricing model here is important because HubSpot can then automatically calculate the right amount when quantities are added to a quote. Once your products and pricing are ready, go to Settings, then Objects, and then Quotes. This is where you configure how your quote system behaves and where you'll prepare the quoting experience for your team. From there, customize your quote templates and branding. This step helps your quotes look polished and aligned with your company's style. You'll want the quote format, visuals, and overall presentation to feel professional, since quotes are often a key part of the buying decision. Next, generate and configure quotes. This is where everything starts coming together. You'll pull in the relevant products, apply the pricing you set earlier, and build a quote that matches the customer's needs. Take a moment to review line items, quantities, and totals carefully before sending anything out. Finally, automate approvals and payments. This helps streamline the process after the quote is created. Approvals can make sure the right internal checks happen before a quote goes out, and payment automation can help reduce friction once the customer is ready to move forward. And that's the basic workflow for using HubSpot CPQ, from product setup to quote delivery and payment readiness.